color theme is full on. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have a next color called Narıncı. Narıncı. Narıncı means orange or orange color. Another tip for you, you may also hear Russian version of this color being used in Azerbaijan, which is оранжевый. Now, let's take a look at some phrases because we are learning Azerbaijani. But I'm happy to give you tips and tricks on what you may hear on a day-to-day basis. Phrases first. Bright orange or orange-colored dress. Parlaq narıncı. Parlaq is another adjective that you can use in multiple scenarios in multiple colors as well. Narıncı rəngli don, or you can drop narıncı rəngli. You can say orange dress, you can say narıncı don. Orange colored dress, narıncı rəngli don. Rəngli with the color. Which color? Narıncı. Now, if you remember from previous video, I said that don in Turkish is underwear, but in Azerbaijani, it's a dress. Now, let's use these in some sentences. First one. Divarın üzərində asılan parlaq narıncı afişa axşam küçədə hamının diqqətini dərhal cəlb etdi və tədbir başlamazdan az əvvəl izdihamı həmin istiqamətə yönəltdi. Long sentence, but let's see what does it mean and then we'll break it down. The bright orange poster hanging on the wall instantly drew everyone's attention on the evening street and, just before the event began, steered the crowd in that direction. Divarın üzərində asılan parlaq narıncı afişa. Afişa is a loan word. The bright orange poster, parlaq narıncı afişa, hanging on the wall, divarın üzərində asılan, instantly, dərhal, drew, cəlb etdi, everyone's, hamının, attention, diqqətini, attention, diqqətini, the attention. On the evening street, axşam küçədə, and və tədbir başlamazdan az əvvəl, just a little before, just before meaning, tədbir, event, başlamazdan, before began, izdihamı, izdiham is the crowd, həmin istiqamətə, that direction, to that direction basically. Steered, yönəltdi. Now, next one. Yay məclisinə geyindiyim narıncı rəngli don, gün batımının çalarları ilə uyğunlaşdı və fotolarda əhvali-ruhiyyəni daha isti göstərdi. Artistic sentence, let's see. The orange-colored dress I wore to the summer gathering matched the shades of the sunset and made the mood look warmer in the photos. Yayda, in the summer, or to the summer, meclise geyindiyim, to the event gathering. Geyindiyim, the one I wore, the one I wore what? Narıncı rəngli don, the orange-colored dress. Gün batımının, of the sunset, çalarları ilə, shades of the sunset basically. Uyğunlaşdı, matched. To match, to go along basically, that's the meaning of this word. Və fotolarda, in the photos, əhvali-ruhiyyəni, əhvali-ruhiyyə is the mood, daha isti, isti, warm, daha isti, warmer. Göstərdi, made it look or showed it up basically. Now, today's word was narıncı. Fun way? There you go. I wore narıncı so Sally could take the night off. Now, to support you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in Google Store and App Store. Feel free to check it out. I'm giving away Module 1 completely free, including all the vocabulary in all the modules there. Module 1 is foundations that will help you build success towards the language journey. I also have masterazerbaijani.com. I've been posting there since November 2025, every 10 days, blogs on multiple topics, including tips on grammar. Feel free to check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow. Cheers.